Get data analysis. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use these three lookup functions here. So we have VLOOKUP here, we have index match here, we have XLOOKUP here. So I'll be showing you how to use the three of them today. So basically these three functions are called lookup functions in Excel. So lookup functions are functions that are used to search for a value in a table in Excel. Okay, maybe you want to search for the price of Honda or cost of Honda. Let's have cost of Honda. You want to search for the cost of Honda in this particular table now. So you can easily see, oh, how much does Honda cost? So you can easily see it here, right? That's because this table is actually quite small. But if you have a large table, maybe you have like a millions of rows of data, then you can be searching for, oh, where is Honda in this table? You now search down, oh, where is Honda? You now see it somewhere there. So these lookup values, lookup function will help you to search for them easily. You want to search for the price of Honda, so you can easily use any of these lookup functions to search for the price of Honda easily. Okay, so lookup functions are used to search for a value in a table. So for VLOOKUP basically works like just like XLOOKUP, but there's just a little limitation in VLOOKUP. Okay, just that it doesn't search backward. If you want to use it to search for a value in a table, as you want to search for the cost of Honda, you can only search for the cost of Honda. You can't search for the can't make that as this cost. Okay, that means you're searching backwards. I'll show us how that works later. For XLOOKUP is so easy to use because it searches both ways, both forward and backward. And then for index match is like it's combination of two functions. Okay, we combine two functions together, the index function and the match function. Okay, so that is what made this one a little bit complex. So I'm going to start by showing you how to use VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP basically is used by typing your equal sign always. When you want to type any function in Excel, you always start by typing equal sign and then type your V, then lookup. So the autocomplete is using your tab. So the first argument is the lookup value. The lookup value is the value that you want to search for the corresponding cost of, right? So I want to search for the cost of what? Of Honda. So the lookup value now is the Honda itself. So I'm going to reference Honda here. You can easily type Honda, maybe you want to type. So you can type Honda here by yourself. Oh, I don't want to type, I want to reference it. So I want to look up the cost of Honda, then use your command center. It's table array, that is the old table where you have the where you can possibly find the cost of Honda. So select the old table where you can possibly find the cost of Honda, then use your comma, and then the column index number is the index number of the where you have the cost that you are searching for. And we are searching for cost, so the index number of cost is what the column index number means. So the index number of cost is what is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have our cost in 5th index. Okay, so type your 5 here, then use your comma. So the last argument here is what? The range lookup. Okay, are you looking for the approximate match or exact match? Okay, I want an exact match of what? Of Honda cost. So just type your first here, just auto complete it, and then use your enter. Now you can see the cost of Honda here. Let's search and then confirm the cost of Honda is 3,000, and that is correct. Okay, now let's find the price of Honda as well. So to find the price of Honda, come down here and type a equal sign, then you look up, and then the first argument here again is your lookup value, which is what? Still Honda is our lookup value. So select Honda here, then use your comma, then table array is the old table where you can possibly find the price of Honda. So I'm going to select the old table here, then use your comma, then column index number is what? The index number where you have your price in. Okay, you type the index number. Index means like the number, like numerical value, number from 1 to whatever. So that is column index number of price is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4th index, and then I want an approximate match again. So select approximate match here, and then use your tab to auto complete it. So you can also type false here. Then so let's see the price of Honda, that is 3,000 as well. That is correct. Okay, for index match contains like two functions combined together. So you can combine index and match functions together to search for a particular value in your table. So you start by typing your equal. So you start by typing your equal sign. Okay, after you type your equal, then type your functions in. Okay, the first argument says what? The array. So the array means the array of possible places that you can easily find the cost. We are looking for cost of Hondas now, so you can select the whole array where you can possibly find the cost of Honda, that is the cost column here, right? Select the whole cost column here, and then use your comma. So instead of me typing the row number, as you can see here, the next argument is what the row number and then the column number. But for match, now I'm going to be using this match function to find the row number and the column numbers here, and then I will now return the value of what of under. So I will use match function to find the row number and then the column number. So I'm going to type a match function now. So now in the match function, the first argument in the match function is what is the lookup value. So the lookup value is what the under itself again. So I'm going to reference under from here, then use your comma. Then the lookup array is the whole column where you have your under. Select the whole column where you have your under like this, and then use your comma. Then I want an exact match again. So you can type 0 here, 0, not minus 0. Type 0 here, or just select 0 here, and then use your tab to auto-complete for you. Let's see what we have. Yes, so you can see here we have the cost of under to be what 3,000, which is the same thing as what we have here. So we can let's easily find the price of under as well. So type equal sign, then index, then the array again is what the price column is the array now. So select the whole price column, and then use your comma. Then for row and number, and for the row column and then the for the row number and then the column number, so we are going to use match function to get the row number and the column number now. So type your match function here. Then the first argument in the match function is what the lookup value. The lookup value is what the under again. Select under and then use your comma. Then the lookup array now is the whole array where you have your under. That is the whole column where you have your under is lookup array. Then use your comma again. So I want an exact match. Then use your tab to complete. Then equal sign, yes. So you can see here, you see how the same thing that under gave to us. Okay, now let's use XLOOKUP to find all these things that we just find using VLOOKUP and index match. So you can see how easily it is to use XLOOKUP. So after watching this now, I'm not sure you're going to go back to VLOOKUP or index match again. You're always going to be using XLOOKUP because it's the best one to use. So let's go. So start by typing your equal sign, then type your XLOOKUP. So the lookup value is the under again. Always lookup value is what's the under. Then select under, reference under here, then use your comma. Then lookup array is going to be, it's not the old table now, so it is going to be the column where you have your under. So the lookup array is the column where you have the under. So we have under in our main column, so select the whole column where you have the under, then use your comma again. So the return array is the array where you want to return the value from. So I want to return the cost of under, right? So the return array now is the cost column, so it's going to select under from that array and then return it for you. So the cost column is the return array now, so use your return array, then use your enter, then you get it easily. As you can see, and how easy it is to use XLOOKUP compared to VLOOKUP and index match. Okay, so let's find the price of under using XLOOKUP. So type your equal sign, then XLOOKUP. The lookup value again is what under as usual, then use your comma. Then the lookup array is the under column, that is the make column where you have the under. Okay, so let's select the whole column, and then comma. The return array is what the price column. Okay, that is the return price column for me. So I'm going to return price column now. So just select the whole price column. So it's going to select the price of each of them and then to return it for you. Okay, let me show you one last thing, that is how to actually put all this make here in a list, so you can easily find the price or cost of each of them. Okay, so I want to find the cost or price of each of these. So let me reduce this so you can have enough space here. Okay, so you can have enough space here. So now I want to find the let me put all this list here. So I'm going to be using data validation to put all this list inside one place here, and I'm going to be using that one to reference the whole thing. Okay, so now let me do this here. So I'm going to put the whole list here. So to put the whole list here, that's a list of all these cars. I want to put them in this here. Here I have this color here in this yellow color. Let me use another color. It's yellow. Let me use something like this. Okay, so let me use it as black, as white color as well. Okay, so this is fine. So let me put the whole list in this particular place. So I'm going to use data validation. We call it data validation. So that is a way of you putting your whole list in one cell. So you can easily select the list and then you see the price of the one selected. Let me show you how to do it. So click on data here and then go to data validation. We have it here. Click on data validation, and then instead of me, you can see here we have setting input message and error alert. What I'm going to use is allow value. So allow what any value. No, I want only a list. Okay, now you can see the source here. Click on this source and then highlight the whole thing that you want to be in that particular source, and then click here OK. It's going to put the list here. So you can see the small button beside this particular cell. So if you click on the button, you see the list of all these cars here. So you can see them here. Drag down, drag up, drag down, drag. So you can see the list of all the cars here. So let me click here now. Okay, so now I want to find the price. So let me just use cost now. I want to find the cost of each of these cars in this particular place. Okay, now let me use XLOOKUP to do that. So I want to find the price of each of these cars in this place. So let me just do that here. Now the price now. So type your equal sign, then XLOOKUP. So now the lookup value again is what I want to. Let me just find on Nissan first. You can see Nissan is here, right? So let me find Nissan here, then comma, then lookup array is what I want to look up with Nissan here in this passage, because our Nissan is in this make here, right? So the lookup array is now the whole column where we have our Nissan. Then use your comma. Then the return array is the price of this, or the price of the cars. Okay, so just return the prices here. And then use your comma. You can, if not found, okay, this is optional. You can see this is in a square bracket, so this is optional. You can just ignore it. Match mode, you can ignore it. Search mode, you can ignore them. So I'm going to stop here now. So you can see the price of Nissan here. Let's confirm that Nissan is here. Then the price is what? 3,826 is the price of Nissan. That is accurate. Now let's change the value here to Toyota. Let's see what will happen to this particular value here. Let's select our Toyota now. So Toyota, you can see the price of Toyota here is what? 2,198. Let's confirm that Toyota is what? 2,198. Let's check for another car. BMW, my best car. I'm hoping to buy that one next very soon, like I was saying. So you can see here, price of BMW is what? 3,950, and then here BMW is what? 3,950. That is correct. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and then share to your friends that are having issues with all these lookup functions. Okay, and shall see you next time.